Reading is a powerful way to boost your English skills. It enhances vocabulary, builds confidence, and improves pronunciation while making learning enjoyable and effective. Start with simple and fun reading materials. Choosing the right reading material is the first step to success. Beginners should focus on texts that are simple, engaging, and easy to understand. Short stories are great for the clear plots and accessible language. Children's books are equally helpful, with colorful illustrations and straightforward sentences. Graded readers, which are tailored to different proficiency levels, provide the perfect balance of challenge and comfort. Comics and blogs add variety to your reading practice. Blogs allow you to explore topics you love, like cooking, travel, or sports, while comics combine visuals with text to make understanding easier. By starting small and staying consistent, you'll build a strong foundation. Don't worry about understanding every word. Many learners feel stressed when they don't understand every single word in a text. However, this is normal and an essential part of the learning process. Instead of trying to translate every word, focus on the overall meaning. Guessing the meaning of unfamiliar words from context sharpens your comprehension skills. For example, in the sentence, "The boy was ecstatic when he saw the gift," you can infer that ecstatic means very happy. This skill saves you time and helps you enjoy reading more. Over time, you'll notice that your understanding improves naturally, even if you don't know every word. How reading expands your vocabulary. Reading is one of the best ways to grow your vocabulary. Unlike memorizing lists of words, reading introduces you to new terms in context. For example, instead of just learning the word run, you might read, "She runs to catch the bus." This shows you how the word works in a sentence, giving you a deeper understanding of its meaning and usage. Repeated exposure to words also helps reinforce them in your memory. If you frequently see the word kind in phrases like, "a kind person," or "be kind to others," it becomes a natural part of your active vocabulary. Learn grammar without memorizing rules. Reading allows you to absorb grammar naturally without focusing on complicated rules. By seeing sentences in action, you learn how grammar works in real-life situations. For example, instead of studying the past tense rule, you might read, "He walked to the store yesterday," and understand the structure intuitively. Over time, patterns become clear, and you'll start using correct grammar without overthinking. You'll also notice how grammar varies in different contexts. Formal texts may use complex structures, while casual dialogues in stories show how people speak informally. Improve pronunciation through reading. While reading might seem unrelated to pronunciation, it plays an important role. When you read silently, you imagine how the words sound, reinforcing their pronunciation. Reading aloud is even more effective for practicing pronunciation. It helps you get used to English sounds, rhythm, and intonation. For instance, saying a sentence like, "Where are you going today?" teaches you the natural rise and fall of English speech. You can also use tools like online dictionaries to hear the correct pronunciation of unfamiliar words. Over time, this practice makes your speech clearer and more confident. Reading helps speaking and writing feel natural. When you read in English, you expose yourself to the natural flow of the language. This makes speaking and writing easier because you learn how ideas are expressed clearly and effectively. For example, after reading, "Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it," you can use the same phrase in your conversations. Writing becomes smoother as well because you unconsciously adopt the structures and styles you see in texts. The more you read, the more natural English becomes to you. Words and phrases will start coming to you automatically, boosting both your fluency and confidence. Build confidence through reading. One of the biggest challenges for learners is feeling confident in speaking English. Reading helps overcome this by preparing you with the tools you need to communicate effectively. With an improved vocabulary and understanding of grammar, you'll feel more ready to participate in conversations. Stories, blogs, or comics also provide great topics to talk about, giving you an easy way to start discussions. The more you expose yourself to English through reading, the less intimidating the language feels. Gradually, you'll notice that speaking becomes easier, and you'll worry less about making mistakes. The enjoyment of reading in English. Beyond its practical benefits, reading in English is an enjoyable experience. It allows you to discover fascinating stories, learn about other cultures, and connect with new ideas. Whether you prefer a gripping novel, an inspiring blog, or a funny comic, reading keeps you motivated. Each text you read brings you one step closer to fluency while making the process fun and rewarding. By starting small, staying consistent, and focusing on meaningful texts, reading can transform your English learning journey. It improves your vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and confidence while opening the door to endless learning opportunities. Dive into a good book or blog today and see the difference it makes. Closing thoughts. Take the first step today. Reading in English is not just a tool for learning, it's a journey of discovery. Every page you turn, every story you read, and every new word you learn brings you closer to mastering the language. Remember, it's okay to start small and make mistakes along the way. What matters most is consistency and enjoying the process. The more you read, the more confident and fluent you'll become. So, whether it's a children's book, a blog about your favorite hobby, or a thrilling comic, pick something you enjoy and dive in. Let reading become a daily habit, and watch your English skills grow faster than you ever imagined. Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content to help you on your English learning journey. Happy reading, and see you in the next video.